So there's 2 islands here in the Perhentian, and we're on the big island, which has like less to do, pretty much. The other side's a bit more social with like bars and more restaurants and stuff. This is more just beaches, relaxing. More resorts. So today we've literally just sat on the beach from like 11 midday. It's now 3:30. Yeah. We've just been swimming and snorkeling around here on all the beaches. And then we're going to go walk across to the next hotel, which has a dive resort with it, and see if we can do some scuba diving either tomorrow or the day after. It's Valentine's Day tomorrow. Yeah. And then we're going to also have a fancy meal, as fancy as it gets over here, over on the other side, well, round to the other beach. Yeah. Well, we were saying that there's literally about 30 people on like where we're staying. There's about 3 or 4 hotels on this side, and then probably 2 or 3 over there on the other side. And there was literally 30 people at dinner last night in the only restaurant that we could go to. So there's probably maximum like 60 people on this island, and it's pretty big. We also didn't realise either that this island basically closes for monsoon season, which is November until February. So we've come in February, so there's not a massive amount open. Yeah. And it's like travel to get here. We were meant to get an 8 AM boat, we had to end up getting a 10 AM boat instead, because the 8 AM just wasn't running. After we had travelled for how long? Yeah, if you're coming from Langkawi or anywhere over that side, stop somewhere in the middle for like a day or 2, because our travel was awful. I wouldn't recommend the route we've done. No. But then I also don't know if it's because of the time of year that we've done it. Maybe. So we don't know whether the places that we've looked at online, the dive sites or the dive resorts, aren't diving at the minute because it's end of monsoon. So there's no one really here, and the visibility is not very good either. Yeah, so we'll have to have a look and see what's happening. Yeah. This is our way of getting to the next beach across. It's like a jungle track. This is where we've got to go to try and find some scuba. And we're going for dinner here tomorrow, so these mushrooms are like luminous. Done the trek. It took us 10 minutes. Oh, is that it? Yeah, 11 I think. We've just come out and this is the view, so it's looking good. Let's go find. Well, I don't know if we're going to eat here or what we're going to do, but let's go have a look. We've come to Barrett for a drink and to chat to them about scuba diving. I ordered honeydew juice, and then Ollie got a cider. We haven't drank in ages since PP vlog, which has been like 2.5 weeks ago. I didn't realise, stupidly, so honeydew is the melon, but I didn't realise that, and I drank it and I was like, oh, that tastes just like melon, but it's called honeydew melon. We just went to the dive place and we both signed up to dive tomorrow, even though I wasn't meant to sign up. Yeah, we both ended up signing up for the dive tomorrow because the guy said, because I've got an ear problem, well, infection, that it should be fine because I can like pop my ears, and that's all you really need to do when you're diving. So we'll see how I feel tomorrow, and we're going at 9:30, so it'll be a nice Valentine's Day for me and Ollie. Oh, it looks like golden hour. Does it? Yeah. You look so pretty. You got stuff here on your eye. Oh no. You might want to get rid of that. Probably sweat. Yeah, as you can see, Ollie's sweating a little bit. It's friggin' hot. A bit warm. That jungle trek has done me. Right, go on then. Tell the people what they want to hear. We were a bit sceptical, but the bloke that we spoke to said it was the best dive site in Perhentian Islands. So we just took the plunge. And it's not that expensive, it's £26? I can't remember. Around that. 150 ringgit. We've come to Tuna Bay restaurant again. I got butter chicken. This is a Malaysian dish, which we haven't really had much of, but it looks good. Ollie, what did you get? Chicken. With chicken cordon bleu. That looks pretty cool. I don't know what it is. Black pepper, maybe? Gravy. No, black pepper sauce. It's gravy. It's not. It's gravy. No, it's not. It is.
Okay, love you, bye. Happy Valentine's Day! We haven't filmed that much while we've been in the Perhentian Islands, just like little clips here and there. It's been a very chill but nice few days. So today Ollie went scuba diving, which he filmed some bits, so we'll insert that around this time so you can see what he got up to. But I had an ear infection, so I couldn't scuba dive. I mean, I could have, but I just think it's a bit risky to go under the water with the pressure, and I can scuba dive other places, it's okay.
Just finished my dive. It was good, wasn't amazing. I don't think it was as good as Thailand's dives. Kerry had to not come because their ear infection's too bad. And then they tried to rope me into the afternoon dive as well, but I've had to kindly decline that one because I think if I spend all day diving on Valentine's Day, I might be a bit in the bad books. So we've got the jungle trek now, back to go and see Kerry. We spotted some monkeys right up in the trees. We weren't sure whether there were monkeys here. And that answers our question.
So he did that, and then I just chilled on the beach. And then he had a nap. We're gonna go for a nice meal later, so we'll bring you along for that. I'm hoping I can get a steak, because I haven't had one in, I would say, months now, maybe a month or 2 months. It's quite a long time. So gonna hopefully have one later. I think we're gonna have a few drinks, but it depends, because we want to get to the other island. Well, no, not the other island. The other side, to the other beach, which is a jungle trek, which I don't want to do drunk, but we're hoping we can get a boat there, but we'll see. Happy Valentine's Day! You're not going to put that in.
You're editing this one.
Ollie's finally tanned.
Been tan the whole time.
Nah. We're going snorkeling now, but we won't bring the GoPro because, well, we got loads of footage yesterday and we're going to the same place, and otherwise the whole vlog's going to be underwater footage.
And I went scuba diving, scuba dove, and there's footage of that.
Yeah. We're trekking again through the jungle to go for dinner. So we're going to trek there and hopefully get a boat back, so then we can have a few drinks, because there's no chance we can do this drunk. We could, but probably make it easier, yeah. Oh. We've ordered a bottle of wine and it costs 34 quid. Which we...
Ow! What is that doing?
She was like, I was 165, bring it, and Ollie was like, yeah, that's fine, and I was like, oh, okay, it must be all right then. And then I looked up, that's £31 for that.
£31.
Merlot, at least I like Merlot. And they have to keep it chilled here because it's so warm. I'm excited for wine though, because we haven't drank in 3 weeks. And I haven't had wine in even longer.
Stupid thing. Oh, there's mosquitoes everywhere.
Come on, try it. Try it for the vlog.
Really fucking deep.
Try it for the vlog.
Yeah.
I hope it's the best wine you've ever had.
It's good wine.
No, I'm going
wine. That's red wine, that is. It's just wine.
Yeah.
It's also cut me.
Cheers. Cheers, Lee. Oh, don't be so dramatic.
Cheers.
We have got a bloody nightmare. There's a wasp infestation where all my stuff is. And I wish I was exaggerating. I think one stung me. I don't know. Something hurt. And I ran into the sea. I've been in the sea for about 20 minutes now. And Ollie's come to the rescue. I've been like this for about 20-30 minutes because I don't want to get stung obviously by a wasp. And I've just been a floating head. They keep coming near me though. I'm too scared to get out. I think he's got everything but my shoes. I'll have to leave them, go back another time because I'm not risking it. Hey John.
Just say bye.
We're packing our bags now.
No, we've packed our bags.
Well, I packed mine. What's all this?
Well, I'm wearing that.
You wearing this?
That's a wash bag.
I'm all ready to go and we're waiting a few hours, getting the boat across, then the bus. We've arrived in Kuala Besar after one of the worst boat rides I've ever been on. It was literally like this the whole way for like an hour, and then we came to KFC. And then we decided we don't want to sit there for 6 hours while we wait for our bus. So we have booked an Oyo for £6, so £3 each, which I was like, we're going to spend more than that just sat at a cafe anyway, so might as well lay in bed, watch some films and get some shit done. Bye. Turn around, let's see the bag.
Your bag. Because you've got my nice bag. We forgot to film an outro again for this video, so thanks for watching everyone, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.